Hello. We are going to have a run through of an acoustic arrangement I've put together for a student of mine, hi Patrick, called Blue Sky Mine by Midnight Oil. We have got pretty much only open chords, so I've tried to make it sympathetic to the original song, but there will be some changes. But you can 100% run through these chords. It sounds pretty good, I reckon. So let's start it off. We've got E minor at first, so we're going to go two downs, 1 and 2. So we've got 1 and 2, and then we're going to get a D. So this is in the section that has that kind of riff at the beginning. So just after the talking. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then and on the up. Down, 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 up, down, up. Yeah? Down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. So we're basically playing E minor and D there, okay? We run that riff, that 12 times. And then the vocal kicks in and the chords change to match the vocal. So we've got E minor. And then we're going to hit an A. Okay, so we're going to go E minor, D, E minor, E minor, G, D, E minor, D, E minor, E minor, D, G, D. Okay, so that is how the chorus goes. That sort of 4-bar round we're going to call riff 1. If you felt like it and you're feeling ambitious, you can simply replace the D with a B minor the second time round so that you could play. But obviously it's a bar chord and we haven't quite got around to those yet. We're going to talk about that now though. So when it kicks into the verse, so there I'm playing first finger flat across the second fret and it's an A minor shaped bar chord. Should also mention the strumming's changed, so down, down, up, down, up, D major. Okay, what we could do is just play a, making sure we only hit the top 4 strings. So therefore we've got 1, 2, 4 and 3. So on the 2nd, 3rd and 4th frets. B minor. So, okay, that's 4 bars. Then G, A, B minor. And then we're going to have 1 and 2 and then A7. So, 1 and 2 and 3, A, B minor, minor, D, B minor, G, A, B minor twice. And then it kicks back into the chorus. Okay, clear? Beautiful. So then it loops all the way through that verse, that 16-bar verse, and then we hit a bridge. And it's C, E minor, A, C, E minor, A. And then you get that, yeah, just before it kicks back into kind of something that sounds a bit like the verse. So the chords we played there are G, regular G, and then an A major, but we're making an A sus4. So that's basically 0, 2, 2, 3, and 0. And that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and back into interlude. Or back into the interlude, D. Then it sits on D. And then chorus again. Okay, plays the chorus riff, that 4-bar riff 4 times, and then we're going to come into the guitar solo, and over the guitar solo it plays a basic verse that we had before. D, B minor, D, B minor, G, A, B minor. Then there's a breakdown, and basically has 7 bars of E minor. There's just playing that kind of thing, the one guitar and drums, I think. So you could do the same thing, just playing E minor. 7 bars, right? Muting there with my right hand. And then it has the same thing that we had at the end of the bridge. So G, A sus4. And then it runs into a section which sounds again like the verse, except it's an outro, so it's a 6-bar round. We're going to play D, B minor, D, B minor, then G to A. Repeats. B minor. G, A. So those 6 bars repeat 4 times, and then the final time round we hit the G, then the A, and then we just hit a D at the end. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please do subscribe for regular videos. There's a new one every Saturday morning. If you are able to support the channel, that would be great. Please visit my Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Simon Morell. I look forward to seeing you soon. All the best. Cheers. Bye.